Hey, welcome back to part 2. I hate this camera. This camera is not the best camera to do YouTube videos with. Oh my god, I love my Sony CyberShot 2. I wish I still had that one. It never broke. But this Canon REViEW T6 edition, great for taking snapshot pictures for like a photo booth. This would be great if I had a little photo booth. Just a snapshot, tweet it out, would be great. But as far as making YouTube videos, horrible. Ugh. So, like I was saying, with the Transformers lineup, which ones were good, which ones were wacky, which ones were garbage. Hopefully, this one will be kind of like Titan's Return, where it'll be kind of an okay, good one, or better than Titan's Return. Hopefully, it won't be anything like Power of the Primes. I hate Power of the Primes, and like I said, I can't really say anything too much about Combine Wars because I never had any Combine War toys, so can't really say. But a lot of people who had said that they were complete garbage. So I love the artwork on the side here. Now here's something that, again, not more artwork, but here's something that's kind of funny. I don't know if you could really see it on camera too much. But on this side here, maybe you can see a little bit down there. It's kind of hard to really see on camera here. But what they did on the side of the box here, in a black light, they wrote a Cybertronian message code on here. That is just retarded story, because anyone would just let it be like, ooh, nice artwork. Nice artwork. But really, if you have a little black light, and you run it over this side, which you can kind of see a little bit in person, on camera you can't really see it, but it looks like a little Cybertronian like message, like, you know, they're triangles, they're squares, they're circles, which is like R's, S, T, A's, V's, you know, the Cybertronian language. It's written on here, but you need a black light to see it. And that's something that they don't tell you on the box or anything. Hey, look for the hidden secret Cybertronian message on the box. Oh, by the way, you also need a freaking black light to read it and see where it's at. Why put it on there? Most people just buy them like, nice artwork, nice artwork. Great job. But hidden Cybertronian message that you need a black light, that you don't even know that there's a message on here, that you don't even know that you need a black light, that's garbage. Takari told me, you're better than this. Hasbro, I know this is beneath you, Hasbro, because this is like straight up Hasbro doing these hidden lie cheat things, but Takari told me, you're awesome. Why would you stoop to a Hasbro level? So, this one is WFC-S7. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus here. There we go. So it stands for War for Cybertron, so that's what WFC stands for. S is Siege, and then 10, because this is the 10th one in the lineup. Just like how if we see over here, there's Battlemaster WFC-S3 and Battlemaster WFC-S2. Which I kind of like how they did War for Cybertron, space, and then S for Siege, because this is the Siege series, because we're past Power of the Primes, Titan's Return, Combiner Wars.